Welcome back to another video, guys. Massive video. Ladies and gentlemen, Aoevo is about to go live. This is a video on a new listing, of course, on the OKX exchange, but I bear even bigger news. This could be absolutely massive. And in this video, we're going to explore exactly what Aoevo is and potentially some places it'll be listing, guys. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Thank you for joining me. Once again, your support is always appreciated. If you haven't already, go ahead, share some support, hit that like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay in tune with all my future content, guys. Your support is much appreciated. Help me grow you, grow me, grow you. Let's just go for it. I mean, thank you. Let's dive in. This is a massive video, guys. Aoevo is listing on the OKX exchange in approximately, at time of recording, 8 hours. But it's not just this tier 1 exchange of the OKX it's listing. There is bigger news coming. You must pay attention in this video. But before we jump in and explore exactly what Aoevo is and how it could potentially be a big player in this bull market, of course, this is my opinion, not financial advice. And if you want that, go find a financial advisor. Let's check the general markets out. We can still see everything is starting to cool off. We did have a big sell-off last night with the Bitcoin price dipping to, I think, about 68k, guys. So things may become a little bit volatile. Make sure you do have your stop losses in place if you are trading this. I anticipate if we are to have some kind of sideways movement with the Bitcoin price, we could see alts come and flare up, and the meme coins also sort of side off with that. Again, we can see Pyth making a nice 7.9% move. And if you are interested in Pyth, you can see my prior videos on Pyth. I am very bullish on that. Of course, that's me. Now, guys, let's talk about Aoevo. I always get this one mixed up. It's crazy. It is, in short, an options and perpetuals strategies all in one place. It is a decentralized exchange protocol in where you could be trading both directions of the market seamlessly. What I mean by this is that the reason decentralized exchanges don't so much kick off in, say, bull markets or any market at all is because there is so much complexity about making a decentralized application, i.e. a wallet, MetaMask, for instance, connecting that to the decentralized exchange. But this is changing, and I'll tell you why it's changing. With Aoevo, you can be trading seamlessly with the interface, the UID, as you can see right here. This is Aoevo right here. And if you are interested, of course, trading on Aoevo, you can see my description, my link in the description below of this video to sign up. Of course, you must have a decentralized wallet, but that's for another video. If you do want me to do a full tutorial on this decentralized exchange, I can definitely do that, guys. So leave your comments below, make some noise there. This is seamless. I mean, it's got an order book system, and what's even beneficial about Aoevo is that it's using the layer 1 Ethereum for its security purposes, and it gets even better. It is using layer 2 technology with Optimism, which is a ZK rollup, meaning that your transaction speeds are a lot faster, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the best thing about that is the gas fees. Yes, it's not based on Ethereum. It's just using the layer 1 infrastructure and security for the purposes when it comes to Ethereum. But when it comes to transaction and gas speeds, guys, you'll be using Optimism, which is absolutely cheap as anything, and it's fast. This is a game changer. This is really something that is amazing. On CoinMarketCap, you're not going to see any data because it's not even released yet, ladies and gentlemen. It has not gone TGE. But here you can do your due diligence on its white paper website and of course, its social media, which we're going to check out soon. We can see there's all sorts of news here about it. But it is a decentralized derivative exchange focused on options, perpetuals, and pre-launch trading. If any of you did get involved in 3 commas, it is essentially that, but in a decentralized light with a centralized aspect of an exchange being just the interface. So this is going to be a very interesting protocol to be keeping your eyes on, in my opinion, and definitely not yours. But I'm not done, guys. I'm not done. When it comes to this, the reason this could be such a big listing are a few things. And first, of course, I'm going to talk about the OKX listing. Here are your details. There was an airdrop with Aoevo token, and we're going to get into the utility of that shortly. But the airdrop, if you did receive the airdrop, the deposits will go live on the OKX exchange as of 10 a.m. UTC, March 12th. The spot trading will open at 10 a.m. on the 13th of March, and withdrawals will open on the 14th of March. Okay, guys? That is for the OKX exchange. And of course, make sure you're getting the right contract ID, and the ticker is Aevo. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. The OKX exchange, tier 1 exchange, is listing it. If you are interested and you want to be jumping on for this launch, you can see my referral link for the OKX exchange in the description below. There is up to 100,000 USDT up for grabs to share should you meet the requirements as well, guys. So that is crazy. Trade with the best, OKX. Now it gets even better. Binance Launchpad. I mean, OKX is a tier 1 exchange. It's going to bring a lot of jurisdictional reach and liquidity with volume to this token already. But the Binance launch pool actually had, and which I farmed as well with my BNB, had a launch pool for the Aevo token. What this means is we could potentially be seeing this, in my opinion, launched on the Binance exchange as well. And being the #1 exchange, this is going to bring a lot of eyes to the project. This is something absolutely massive. But I'm not even done, guys. I'm not done yet. We're going to jump onto their Twitter. Yes, they have a good following. They're verified as a business, but let's just scroll down here. We can see it is a layer 2 focused on options and perpetual trading, backed by Paradigm, Dragonfly, and Coinbase. Coinbase. Does this mean it's going to be also listed on the top tier exchange for the US markets, Coinbase? If so, this could absolutely go parabolic in my opinion. This is crazy. So this is definitely something to be looking out for. This is about to go live, guys. This is crazy, and the OKX exchange details for it going live are available right here. If we do take a look at its roadmap, we can see Q1 2024. It is to launch and airdrop Aevo, which they're doing in just about 8 hours, time of recording. And for Q2, we can see that they're going to be launching trading incentives for traders, also strategies as well for their platform. This is where it gets interesting. Taking a look at their platform, I mean, this is pretty seamless. Like, I can be sitting here just connecting my decentralized MetaMask, for instance, be trading both directions of the market in a decentralized manner with a centralized exchange, order book system, and visuals. This is as seamless as it really gets. I mean, this is going to be very interesting to see how this kicks off. In terms of their pairs, guys, they have plenty of pairs that are currently live on their exchange as well. So this is something to be keeping an eye out for. I have no doubt about that. You know, given the gas fees, it's actually quite cheap in comparison to some other centralized exchanges and the fees they may charge for trading this. Taking a look at their native token Aevo, it is to promote, of course, governance and voting rights. That doesn't mean every person has to vote, and this depends on the amount in which you hold of the token. But further, we can see that it provides economic incentives which will be distributed to encourage users to exert efforts towards contribution and participation in the ecosystem on Aevo, which is likely to coincide with, ladies and gentlemen, things like trading here, trading competitions, and of course, strategies. Yes, they are going to implement strategies, trading strategies where potentially it may look like copy trading on a decentralized manner. This is one of the first of its kind and very, very interesting, given the fact we have 3, I believe, confirmed top tier exchanges interested in this project and about to launch the token. I think the TGE, depending on how much of the airdrop was dropped to the community who participated in the requirements, is going to determine whether or not buying pressure is going to outnumber that of selling pressure, and whether or not we are going to have a massive parabolic launch. Of course, guys, when cryptocurrencies launch, it is very volatile periods, and you must always be very, very, very careful in that respect, guys. Look, what do you think? I mean, this is crazy. It's using Ethereum layer 1, layer 2 as optimism for your transaction speeds, your, of course, speeds and gas fees, which is absolutely crazy. You can sign up to this exchange with the referral below, which is insane. So they do have that referral mechanism like centralized exchanges as well. I mean, the user face for me is just seamless. Like, I can be trading here. It's probably bootstrapped. It is to TradingView, so I can be doing my charting. If we do have a bullish trend line, for instance, as it's formed here, I can then be mapping that, measuring profits, putting in take profits, targets, support, resistance. I can be doing it all on one platform, which is pretty crazy. I honestly think one thing is to consider that we've got top tier 1 exchanges listing this, like, confirmed. That's insane. I mean, and if Coinbase lists this, yes, they're working together, but if it is listed, the Aevo token on Coinbase, that is crazy due to the jurisdictional, I guess, rules in which Coinbase has, which is good. It's sound, but it taps into a massive, massive community geographically. This is going to be very interesting. Leave your comments below, guys. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my future videos on listings and everything to do with cryptocurrency, guys. I will see you in the next video.